Hey, how's it going, everybody? Got another 67 Fastback Mustang here. This is a 67 A code. Is a factory deluxe interior car, but it's set up like a little pro street car. It's street legal, and it's honestly, you know, it's not a crazy race car. I've had some race cars here recently, but this car, it's all steel except for the hood. It does have a fiberglass hood. It has been mini tubbed and has a roll cage, but other than that, it's pretty much stock appearance. And it's silver with a little darker silver kind of ghost stripe. It's painted on. Paint job's actually really good. It looks really nice even in person. The body's very straight. It's got good gaps. It's hard to kind of show you how the paint shines, but it does look really nice. It's got some 29 by 15.5 and 15-inch Hoosiers on, and they're street tires on weld wheels. It does have the original door tag. It's been painted over. I'm not a fan when people do that, but it is what it is. I've got the title, clear title, so it'll show the VIN, but there's a 63B. But the interior is very tasteful. Standard door panels, but as you can see, it's got really clean door jambs. Windows work good. This bar swings out to make it easy to get in. It's got 2 seats. Still got a lot of your rear interior trim panels. The back's been carpeted nicely. It's got a nice headliner. Pro comp tack, fuel gauge, voltmeter, water gauge, oil pressure. It's got a Hurst ratchet shifter, but it's a really clean car. Car really probably hasn't been raced much at all. I mean, somebody could keep it the way it is, or they could, you know, redo the back half and turn it back into a factory fastback. It's got the kill switch. It's got a fuel cell. It's running dual batteries in the trunk. But you can kind of get a glimpse of how straight the car is, how clean it is. Paint's clean. Doesn't have much dirt in it. Actually, I don't see hardly any. So whoever painted it, see, look at that door gap. Man, that's a nice door gap. Front end's nicely detailed. 67 Shelby style hood with hood pins. Antenna delete. That always adds about 10-15 horsepower. That's real nice there too. Real clean interior. I'll show you the engine, then I'll do a startup video. Hood's been nicely detailed underneath. Big electric fan, big radiator. It's got a 408 stroker, and it's fast. It runs really good. Right now it's running on 110. So I'll get a little startup video here. Let's go in here and fire it up. Normally one pump. You hear the electric fuel pump kick on.